Advantages of PERT. So PERT is going to give the management ability to plan best possible use of resources to achieve a given goal within the cost and time. See, everything is mathematical. You are going to play with statistics, right? So you will predict in advance and have the results in hand whether you are going to uh, achieve the goal within the given time and cost limitations. It helps the management to handle uncertainties involved. So whatever uncertainties involved, you are going to be considering them also. So it presses for the right action at the right time at the right time in the organization. So right action, right point, right time. So if you have to do things correctly at the right time and at the right point. So that is the advantage of PERT. Limitation, the difficulty estimates may be not true. Some when the activities are non-repetitive type, sometimes the estimates may fail. What you estimate might be wrong. So that limitation is there because you are doing everything with respect to statistics. So the technique does not consider resources required at the various project stages of the project. So it does not consider the in-depth analysis of the resources required. The use of this technique is for active control of project requires frequent updating. So you have to update the time taken frequently, and you have to revise your goals frequently because you every time you waste is has to be updated and so the project delay has to be calculated. So it is just like frequent updating and revising the calculation and target, which is going to be a very, very costly affair. So because of all these limitations, we go for C